If you want to turn a low quality image into 4K like this, follow these steps. Stay till the end, this will save you a lot of time. First, open Gemini. Select the create image option. Tap on the plus icon. Select the image that you want to convert into 4K quality. Then copy the prompt that I provided in the description. You can also email me. I will provide you the prompt and the email is given in the description. Now send it. The image will start creating. Wait for a second. Now download it. Also, if you want to remove the watermark, just open PShot or any other application. In PShot, tap on the plus icon, select the image, go to tools and choose crop. You can also crop from the bottom or from the right like this. Now export the image. If this helped you, comment something nice, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. If not, tell me what to improve. Thank you.